They're beautiful, fragile, harmless looking. The kind of flowers you might pick, smell, or plant in your garden without a second thought. But some flowers don't just decorate nature, they defend it. Hidden inside soft petals and sweet fragrances are toxins powerful enough to stop a human heart, shut down the nervous system, or send the mind into terrifying hallucinations. And the most disturbing part? Some of these flowers grow in ordinary neighborhoods around the world. You don't need to enter a jungle to find them. Starting with number 5. Nerium oleander, commonly known as oleander. Bright pink, white, or red clusters make it one of the most popular decorative plants along roadsides and gardens. It thrives in warm climates and looks completely harmless. But every part of oleander is poisonous. Leaves, flowers, stems, even the sap. It contains cardiac glycosides, chemicals that directly affect the heart. Ingesting even a small amount can cause vomiting, severe abdominal pain, slowed heart rate, seizures, and potentially fatal heart failure. There have been documented cases where people became seriously ill after using oleander twigs to roast food. A beautiful roadside plant, capable of stopping your heart. At number 4, Aconitum, also known as monkshood or wolfsbane. With deep blue or purple hood-shaped flowers, it almost looks royal. But historically, it was used to poison arrows and eliminate enemies in ancient times. Aconitum contains aconitine, one of the most potent plant toxins known. Symptoms begin with burning and tingling sensations in the mouth and skin. Then dizziness. Then paralysis. The heart begins to beat irregularly. Breathing becomes difficult. In severe poisoning, death can occur within hours. Sometimes while the victim remains fully conscious, aware of what is happening, but unable to move. Even handling the plant without gloves can allow toxins to absorb through the skin. Number 3. Digitalis purpurea, commonly called foxglove. Its tall spikes of pink or purple bell-shaped flowers make it a garden favorite. Ironically, it is also the source of digitalis, a medication used in controlled doses to treat heart conditions. But outside medical supervision, it becomes extremely dangerous. Foxglove contains compounds that interfere with the heart's electrical signals. Poisoning can cause nausea, confusion, blurred vision, hallucinations, and a dangerously irregular heartbeat. Too much can send the heart into fatal arrhythmia. It's a deadly paradox. The same plant that can save a life in tiny doses can end one in slightly higher amounts. At number 2, Atropa belladonna, known as deadly nightshade. Its small purple flowers may not look threatening, but its shiny black berries are especially dangerous. They resemble cherries, making them highly tempting to children. Historically, belladonna was used in assassinations and even cosmetic practices during the Renaissance to dilate pupils. A risky trend that sometimes led to fatal consequences. The toxins affect the entire nervous system. Dry mouth, rapid heartbeat, dilated pupils, severe confusion, intense hallucinations. In higher doses, seizures, coma, and death. It doesn't take much. And finally, at number 1, Brugmansia, often called angel's trumpet. Large, dramatic trumpet-shaped flowers hang downward in shades of white, yellow, pink, or orange. They release a powerful sweet scent, especially at night. It looks almost magical, but inside this beauty are strong psychoactive and toxic compounds like scopolamine and atropine. Even small amounts can cause extreme delirium, not just mild hallucinations, but complete detachment from reality. Victims may lose memory, wander aimlessly, speak to people who aren't there, or become violently confused. Severe poisoning can lead to overheating, heart complications, respiratory failure, and death. Unlike many toxins that simply attack the body, angel's trumpet hijacks the mind first. 5 flowers, 5 silent killers hidden behind elegance and color. Proof that nature's most dangerous weapons are not always sharp or obvious. They don't chase you. They don't growl. They don't warn you loudly. They bloom. And that's what makes them terrifying. Because if something this deadly can exist in plain sight, in gardens, parks, and backyards, what else in our world looks harmless, but isn't? If you want more dark, fascinating stories about the dangerous side of nature and the hidden truths of our world, subscribe now and turn on notifications, because the next story might change the way you see something growing right outside your door.